Okay, on the count of 3, you can open your eyes. 1,
Okay.
2.
Really good. I have a
We
good
have a fun
feeling about
surprise.
this.
Yeah, you're gonna love it. 3.
He's a happy, happy Flappy. He's Flappy, Flappy Moo. He's a happy, happy Flappy. He's a Flappy, Flappy Poo.
What?
I thought it was gonna be less pink.
You don't like hamsters?
What is
in the
this? Hamsters.
Hamsters.
Oh, they're pretty cute.
They are adorable. Well, come on, we'll have fun.
We should try the dog. The dog would probably think these are real.
That's a good idea. See,
What other ones do we have?
Tons. We got scoops
one.
and poops
This one
and
looks like a ladybug. Alright.
series and zooms.
Oh, I think this is the one I want. Ooh, look at the back of the box. All the different hamsters you can collect. And you can combine them all to make this really cool hamster city.
Hamster City.
Oh my goodness, there's a toe. That's not my toe. My toe's way more hideous than that toe. So the way these guys work, oh, they fall out of your hand. They have these little brushes and they vibrate and that's what makes them move. And they have a little track here so they can move around the track. See how they work. Whoa, that's weird. Whoa! Whoa! Whoop.
Oh no! Oh my gosh, is that a cat? Let me smell its feet. Is it? Oh, it's dog feet. Oh, I love those feet.
It likes him.
Let me smell them again. Let me smell those feet. Come here, feet! I'm gonna eat you! Oh, come here.
It's a friend. It likes you. They got him! He's okay!
Let's see that instant replay.
They got him!
And backwards now.
I can...
Careful. Oh, careful. You can't catch me, doggy.
I think we should get all of these adorable hamsters and see which one the dog chases if we let them all out at once.
Oh, I love it. That's a great idea.
And here we go. There's Flappy, and we're putting all of them down at once. What does he do? He's running away. Oh, wait. Whoa. Which one's he gonna get? Go get him, boy.
Oh,
Big
the
chicken.
worst guard dog ever.
You're a big chicken. Come on. Why do you want me to do like such a scaredy cat? This is Sunday. That's Scoops. I'm not sure why they call him Scoops. That's Chip. That's Ham. Hey, I know who this belongs to. Hobby Pig. That is Honey.
Aww.
And this is...
Nibbles.
It's Nibbles.
Aww.
It's not Nibbles, but we're gonna name him Nibbles because that's a way better name.
It is. Poor Hobby Pig and Hobby Frog are getting over colds. That's why they sound kind of different. So help them feel better and wish them get well and give this video a thumbs up so that'll make them feel better. Like vitamin C, right?
Yummy.
Here's the food. We're going to put it in these little holes.
And we're gonna have little hamster guys order some food. It's gonna fall in this little slide.
Oh, cute.
Into the shopping cart. So let's get our first customer. His house is over here. Who should it be?
Honey should be.
Honey? Ham?
Honey. Yes,
Honey.
I love honey.
Let's go to the store, Honey. He's going from his home.
Oh,
Over here.
he actually got this.
Hey, where's the shopping cart? You had one job to do. Okay, let's try that again. Here. Oh, he didn't go in. He's going the other way.
No.
Oh no, you hamsters have a mind of your own. Go this way.
Honey.
There, Honey. There he
Oh,
goes.
cute.
And now you just push this.
Hold it down.
He's got a cup in the way. There. Now,
Sorry, I had
see if he can push it home. Oh, he put it in the parking lot. He's going home without his food.
Oh, come on, honey.
Honey couldn't do it. Honey couldn't do it. All right, let's try another one. We'll make Honey the cash register. He's really excited about his job. Look at him.
I'll put a piece of bacon on one. Look.
Ooh.
Yeah, bacon.
Put bacon on one.
Look. Wait.
Maybe do it higher so he doesn't.
That's a good idea.
Oh man, he's trying to get it. I think he knew it wasn't the mouse that gave him the bacon.
I knew it was me.
Oh, there's one under the fridge. Oh, don't you hate it when you get a hamster under the fridge? It's the worst.
It's stuck.
gonna be the best day of your life.
See, we're rewarding you for not catching any hamsters.
Sit.
He's walking. That was good.
Sit. Sit. Stay.
But by that, she meant jump up and grab the gym. And this is the gym where they work out.
And they also do duels. They battle each other. And get tired and higher and higher.
Oh.
Will he bring the food home?
No.
Oh, not when you do that, poor guy.
Oh,
There he goes.
Oh.
No, he doesn't want to get any food today.
No.
He went right back around. Oh, wait. No.
Ah, come on. That's my emotions.
He doesn't want any food. No. He's going the wrong way.
Ooh, where's she going? What's her name?
This is Ham, yeah.
Ham. Hammy. Let's see if Hammy can bring home the bacon. Put it in the frying pan.
Can he do it?
I want ham. I want ham.
Oh, so far so good. Let's give him some food. He's got the food.
Hey, you
Now
did.
can he bring it home?
Hey, you didn't pay.
Can he? No.
All right, no, I want it.
He does. He wants it.
Oh, Hammy went home.
I'm going back for more.
He's trying to go back. Can he do it?
Hey, have you guys seen our video where we got hamsters? Make sure to leave a comment if you have. And what kind of pets do you have? What are your favorite kind of pets?
I will read your mind. You have a dog, fishing, cat, and leopard.
A leopard?
Yes.
Nobody has a leopard, do they? HobbyFrog?
One person did.
What's your favorite pet?
A frog.
A frog.
That's pretty good. You did better than the dog. You got a tag sticking out there. Hey, look, you can switch food with your friend. Whoop. No, I don't want that. Let's trade. Whoop. No, yeah. Whoop. Wouldn't that be cool if you could really do that?
Aw, that's cute.
Yeah. It's crazy. It's hamster pandemonium. Wait, I thought pandemonium was only for pandas.
It's Black Friday. Get your TVs free.
Free TVs.
You
Yeah.
guys hear that noise? There is a hamster stuck in the very, very back behind our refrigerator. So Hobby Dad is going to try and get a hanger to get it out. Here he comes.
That was specially designed for capturing robotic hamsters. I don't know if you've seen these in stores.
Nice design.
Yeah.
He's going to try and get it.
Oh, that just made that come out.
While he's working on that, I'm going to see what happens when we put one in water.
We're gonna see. Whoa.
It actually goes.
I am the power donut. Whoever eats me gets power. Enough getting power. Yeah, 3 hours now. Yeah.
Wait, you mean 4.
He can't count when he has superpowers.
Oh, that looks so funny.
Yeah.
Gotta talk to our refrigerator guy.
And we still can't get to it.
Flashlight.
You find it?
It was behind this piece of wood. Oh, that would have drove us nuts all night. Can you imagine?
I couldn't imagine.
Nice try, honey.
It was honey. Oh, she's not so sweet.
He's Flappy Flipper Noodles. He's not a little poodle. He's our eeny teeny chweeny. And we love him lots of oodles. You can get HobbyFlappy t-shirts. Just click in the top left-hand corner. Don't forget, subscribe to HobbyFlappy for new shows and follow him on Instagram.
Bye.